Wizard.
Hey, this is the Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood. Today I want to talk to you about the Deck Restoration Plus products and how it relates to scheduling. We're getting a lot of calls and we get a lot of inquiries about scheduling from both homeowners and contractors when it comes to staining a deck. You got all kinds of things going on, and it does always seem like the weather's getting weirder and weirder across the United States. From the wind, which we have a windy day here today, we get, that blows stuff around. We get rain, we get a lot of rain it seems like, whether it's pop-up showers or just seems like every day or every other day there's rain. How are you supposed to schedule jobs? How, if you are a homeowner, how are you going to get out and stain the deck on the weekend when you don't know whether it's going to rain, not rain? If you're in New Jersey, I'm in southern New Jersey, man, we had like 8 weekends in a row of rain. How are you going to do that? Well, one of the best ways to do it, one of the easiest ways, is the Deck Restoration Plus Deck and Wood Stain. We can apply this to wet, dry, or damp wood. Matter of fact, from experience, because we've been doing this for over 20 years with this product in my company, as the wood actually dries, it's pulling the stain in, and it really puts on a nice coat. I'm actually standing on my deck. And my deck, I used the Burlington Gold and I've used the Morristown Brown, and I picture framed it. So this is great because I work all week too. I get a chance to stain my deck. I want to be able to come out here on the weekend or a Saturday afternoon or a Sunday and be able to get my deck stained. So that's what I did and how I do it, because we can apply it to wet wood. So when you start looking at products, if every product was the perfect product, we'd all be using it. So you have to figure out what are the advantages and disadvantages of different products. Well, one, you're looking for a penetrating product. We got a water base that's penetrating. It actually goes into the wood. You can see it on my deck. You can see the grain. You can see everything right through the wood. Okay, so it's a penetrating water base, and you can apply it to wet, damp, or dry wood. That's the main reasons to use it. Oh, by the way, did I say it's water based? That means you don't have to worry about the mold, mildew, organics, the problems you have with oils when they don't dry correctly, they stay sticky, or they're so thin that you have to reapply every year. This is the reason you use Deck Restoration Plus Deck and Wood Stain. It's easy to schedule, penetrates the wood, protects the wood. Every 2 to 3 years it's still going to be just a light clean and recoat. Never have to go back and strip it or reinvent the wheel. This is easy stuff, and we've made it easy. I've been using this product for my customers for over 20 years and built my business on this. Okay, and we now have that out to the public. I use it on my deck as well, and that's what we're coming from right here. So use Deck Restoration Plus Deck and Wood Stain, and one of the biggest reasons is it can be applied to wet, dry, or damp wood. It makes scheduling easy. I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood. Check us out.